Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to share with you another MTN data bundle code where you get more than 180 gigabyte data, okay, for free, okay, right? So initially I've made a video on how to buy cheap bundles, okay, at very affordable prices, okay. So in case you are new to our channel, just go to our playlist on technology hacks and you find these videos. Now this bundle code I'm about to show or I'm about to share with you, most people might not know about it, but maybe a few might know about it. That's why we share or make these videos to make people aware of these packages and then take full advantage of them. Now again, these videos are for those who are or do not know about these bundle codes or these bundle offers by MTN and other networks like Vodafone and Airtel. That's why we make these videos, okay. Now I've initially made a video on NATS data bundles, okay. So this is for teachers, the data bundles for teachers, where you get 20 gig for 24 CDs and 54 CDs for is it 30 gig or so. You might just go ahead and check our video and then you find that video, okay. Now in case you are finding it difficult to find an ID, a teacher's ID, just leave a comment in the comment section and then I will help you with IDs, okay, from Greater Accra, Ashanti region, Brown and Half, Tamale, Northern region, okay, all over the country, okay, all the regions around the country, okay. Just leave your comment in the comment section and then I'll just respond to that, okay, saying that maybe you need an ID, okay, a NAT ID. So without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. Again, in case you're a new user or a new viewer of our videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification so that you don't miss out on future videos. Without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So the code is *138* hash, okay, *138# and then you call. Now once you call, you wait for the menu to pop up and you choose option 1, okay. After choosing option 1, you go ahead to choose option 1 again to buy the data bundle, right? So after choosing option 1, go for buying for self. So choose option 1, okay. After choosing option 1, you notice that this menu will pop up, okay. So you have flexi bundles. You could buy that from 3 pesos to 3.99, and then you have 50 pesos bundle, that's 20.46 megabyte, 1 CD bundle which is 40.92 megabyte, 3 CDs bundle which is 401.61 megabyte, and then we have 99, option 99, and then we have 0 to go back. Now this is what you do: click on the option 99, okay. Sorry, just choose option 99, okay. So just type in option 99, okay. So once you type option 99, check out what happens over here, okay. So let's repeat the process, okay. Let's just repeat the process, okay. Now so when you get in, you choose option 99, this is what pops up, okay. You have 10 CDs for 827 megabytes. We are not interested in that, but check out the second option, okay, or the option 6. You get 182 gigabyte data for 399 CDs. So in case you have enough money on you and then you want to buy this data, this is a very good package by MTN. Just go ahead and purchase that bundle, okay. It is very straightforward. Once you purchase this bundle, you make the purchase and then you are good to go. This is non-expiry, unlimited, so you can use it till the bundle gets finished, okay, depending on the number of weeks, months you want to use it, okay. Now I'll be dropping another video, okay, on how to make money online and then data bundle purchases, okay, or cheap data bundle packages. So in case you've not subscribed to our channel, just go ahead and subscribe, and then you'll see that I've made videos on how to make money using apps, softwares, and other websites to make money, okay. I'll also upload a video on how to get free money, where certain sites, okay, give out free money to people, okay. So make sure to watch out for that video and other cheap data bundle code videos, okay. I'll see you in our next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.